Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to filter Google search result by location with just your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. The next thing we want to do is to simply click on search or type URL. So right here, you can simply type the keyword of whatever information you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I want to type in on how to use Alipay and hit on search. That's going to take us right here. Now, we want to search this particular result based on a particular country. So what we want to do is to simply swipe this way, until we get to search tools. The next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we click on advanced search. Then right here, we need to fill this particular simple form. Right here, this exact word or phrase, you can leave this out. Any of this word, if you don't want to include any of some words, enter the words right here. Then right here, number of ranging from, so you can decide the number of pages you want right here. Let's say, for instance, I want the pages of the results to be from 5 to 15. Then we can simply scroll down right here. You can click on language right here and choose the number and choose the type of language you want the results to be. Then you can also come to any region right here. So here you can choose the actual region you want for the result. So right here, I'm going to simply choose Canada as my region. Then you can decide to choose anytime or 24 hours ago, past week, past month, or past year. I'm going to put it in anytime. Then what you need to do to simply scroll down right here, and then using usage rights here, this is has to do with if you want a free information or paid for information. Simply click on by license right here and choose not filter by license. That is by default. If you want to filter by license, choose any of the license type right here. But I'm going to leave it in not filter by license so I get more results. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on advanced search right here. And in a few seconds, we are going to have the result right here. Scroll down right here, and then every information you are getting right here is directly from the country of the region you choose during the advanced search. Then, based on the result, you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see the pages. Click on here to see more search results. Then you can scroll down and see more pages. Scroll down and see more pages. See more search results. This is depends on the number of pages that you included during your settings. Scroll down and see more pages. Scroll down and see more pages. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply filter Google search results by location without any stress. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.